Hi, Jai Reid here from O'Brien Real Estate in Mornington, and thank you for watching this week's weekly property update for Saturday the 1st of September. Exciting weekend this weekend. We have 2 new properties hitting the market and 22 Settlers Way, Mount Martha going to auction. Also stick around for the entire video for some great opportunities of off-market properties coming at the end. Now to have a look at last Saturday's auction clearance rate for Victoria. The auction clearance rate rose back to 60%, but was still down from 76% at the same time last year. Now let's have a look at this week's open for inspection times. 45 Hardy Street, Mornington will have its premiere open from 10 to 10:30. This would be the perfect renovation property or for first home buyers. It's positioned on approximately 600 square metres. The second of our 3 new homes hitting the market this Saturday is 39 Stanley Street in the lovely Frankston. This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom property is full of character and will ideally suit the first home buyer and investor market. You can view this home from 11 to 11:30 a.m. on Saturday. Going to auction this Saturday, we have 22 Settlers Way, Mount Martha. A chance to view this home will be at 12 o'clock before we call the auction at 12:30. From 1 to 1:30, we'll be opening 75A Barclay Street in Mornington, the 1-year-old townhouse with Main Street at its doorstep. And this week at 2 to 2:30, you will be able to view 38 to 40 Verdon Street, Jemana, which will again be available for viewing. Once again, right on the beautiful Fishies Beach and Lilo Cafe, 5 Rodney Court, Mornington will be opening its doors from 2 to 2:30 p.m. Our third and final new property hitting the market this Saturday is 8 Allison Street, Mornington. Its doors will be open for the first time from Saturday from 3 to 3:30 p.m. This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home is in a great location and is in close proximity to all facilities in Mornington. Now let's have a look at some of this week's off-market properties, homes that are yet to hit the market for sale. Thank you for watching this week's weekly update. I look forward to seeing you next week with some new properties available.